All right, so in this session, I'm going to be showing you how to operate and then the nitty-gritty of the smart lock. So I have two over here, two different types. This one has facial recognition. This one doesn't have facial recognition, but it has camera, and then you can unlock it as you see. And then you can also lock it. So I'm showing you how you can manually lock it and then manually unlock it, and how you can lock it also. So I'm going to show you how everything is really. And this is an open box also. I'm going to show you how it comes in a carton. Like, what's going on here? All right, so I'm going to show you all that. I'm going to show you all that in this session. Everything that I have talked about, that I'm going to talk about, you really need to hear it. Thank you.